Hi, I'm Janina at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Point of View Warm Perspective Eye Kit. Bring some heat to your look with this limited edition 5-piece full-size eye makeup kit featuring warm, toasted tones and high-impact finishes. Our 3-in-1 Cream Stay Shadow Sticks work as a primer, shadow, and liner and provide up to 12 hours of lasting color. Mix and match Canvas, a matte buttercream, Bonbon, a deep matte brown, and our stunning new hue, Haze, a matte neutral pink. Add in our new limited edition molten metallic foil eyeshadow in a shimmering champagne hue for high shine effects. Then lengthen and lift lashes with the rich jewel tones of our new Water Resistant Mascara in Sapphire. Shade lids and a long upper and lower lash line with Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Haze, then blend to create an even wash of color. Add depth to lids, crease, and a long upper and lower lash line with Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Bonbon, and blend until seamless. Place and blend Cream Stay Shadow Stick and Canvas onto inner corners and brow bones for a natural highlighted effect. Gently pat metallic foil eyeshadow and spotlight onto the entire lid with fingertips or an eye brush. Or for more of a natural halo effect, only place onto the center of lids. Finish with water-resistant mascara and sapphire to lengthen and accentuate lashes with a pop of deep, rich blue. The warm tones in this kit flatter everyone, and there are so many looks that can be created. It's also an incredible value.